Did you know that Albert Einstein, one of the most brilliant minds in history, actually hated socks? Or that he could have failed his university entrance exam? Hello, friends. Today we will tell you 10 of the most amazing and little-known facts about Albert Einstein. Some of them will definitely surprise you. So sit back, subscribe to the channel, and let's go!
Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to learn more about the geniuses who changed the world.
You often hear that Einstein was a bad student and even failed math. This is a myth. In fact, he was an excellent student and had excellent grades in physics and math. The confusion arose because of the difference in the grading system in Germany. At that time, the highest grade was 1, not 5, as in many other countries. This myth is simply a misunderstanding that has become a legend. Did you know about this? Write in the comments. Einstein loved music and played the violin from his childhood. He often said that music helped him think outside the box. He even once said, "If I weren't a physicist, I would have become a musician." His favorite composer was Mozart, and he could play his works for hours. By the way, it was while playing the violin that he often found solutions to complex scientific problems. Imagine Einstein was offered the position of President of Israel? This happened in 1952 when the country's first president died? However, Einstein refused, saying that he was not suitable for politics because he did not know how to communicate with people as a leader. Instead, he continued his scientific research and teaching. Do you think Einstein would have been a good president? Write in the comments. After Einstein's death in 1955, his brain was removed for research. Scientists wanted to understand what made him such a genius. They found that the parts of his brain responsible for mathematical abilities were more developed than those of the average person. Interesting, isn't it? Do you think this is ethically correct? Einstein hated socks. He considered them unnecessary and often walked barefoot or in shoes without socks. He joked that his toe always poked a hole in his socks, so wearing them was a waste. Do you hate socks too? Like, if you do, here are some incredible facts about Albert Einstein. He was not only a brilliant scientist, but also a person with his own habits, quirks, and dreams. What fact surprised you the most? Write in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel because there are many more fascinating stories about outstanding people in the world ahead. See you soon!